Good afternoon. My name is Kelsie Miguel, and my partner name for this English assignment is Donella Jack. So, for our English assignment, we had to collect 6 samples of pupils' creative writing or pupils' composition writing. We then had to do an analysis based on the samples that we collected or based on the compositions that we collected. So, in the writing analysis, we had to talk about the pupils' writing conventions, their vocabulary, their syntax, and at what stage of writing the pupils are at. So, after we finish all of that, we then had to create an activity to help pupils in one of the writing stages that was identified in our writing analysis report. So, based on our report, we identified that the pupils are at the emergent writing stage or the developing writing stage. Those are the 2 writing stages that we identified based on our writing analysis report. So we then decided to create an activity that will help the pupils who are in the emergent writing stage. Our activity, it's a sentence construction activity by filling in blank spaces by using a picture or by looking at a picture. So our activity, it's basically whereby we as teachers, we are going to provide a picture, let the pupils look at the picture. We're going to provide a sentence, part of a sentence, or we're going to provide part of a sentence. Then they are going to complete the sentence now by looking at the picture. So we are going to give them part of a sentence and having them complete it by looking at the picture or by looking at the picture. So the materials that we used in order to create this activity are cardboard, pictures, and we also used a worksheet. So I will now be demonstrating on how we are going to execute this activity to help pupils that are in the emergent writing stage. Okay, so the pupils, they are going to look at this picture. We are going to read part of the sentence that we provide here, and they are going to complete it by looking at the picture. And while we're conducting the activity in front of the class, they are going to follow by using this worksheet. So this worksheet is what they are going to use, and we are going to use this cardboard with the picture and words while doing the activity. So while we're doing the activity, they're going to look. After we finish, they're going to complete on this worksheet. So when we finish with the first sentence, then they're going to complete it. We go to the second sentence, they're going to complete it. Then we go to the third sentence and they're going to complete it. So this is how it's going to be done. Okay, it says look at the picture and write sentences. So pupils, I want you to look at this picture here. Let's talk about the picture. Tell me what you see in the picture. Okay, so here I have 3 sentences, and the 3 sentences I'm going to read them for you, but we're going to do one at a time. The first one says, the dog has big, long something. So here I provide part of a sentence for you, and you are going to complete the sentence, or you're going to fill in the blank space here by looking at this picture here. So you need to look at the picture. It says, the dog has big, long something. So use your worksheet now and complete the sentence there. The dog has big, long something. Look at the picture and see what the dog has that is big and long. The second one says, the color of the dog's eyes is. The color of the dog's eyes is. So here I also provide part of a sentence, and you're going to complete the sentence by looking at the dog. You're going to complete it on your worksheet. So the color of the dog's eyes is. Look at the dog's eye, and you're going to complete the sentence on your worksheet. The last one says, the color of the dog's hair is. The color of the dog's hair is. So you're going to also complete this sentence by looking at this picture on your worksheet. So the color of the dog's hair is something. Look at the dog, look at the hair, and you're going to complete the sentence. So you're going to complete the sentence on your worksheet. This is the worksheet that the pupils will use. It's the same thing that is on the cardboard. So for the first one, the answer for the first one, since when the pupils finish, we're going to help them. We're going to see what they did, and then we're going to help them. So here I'm going to just be showing you how it will be done and what will be the answer. So when they finish looking at the picture and it says the dog has a big long something, when they look at the picture, they should be able to complete the sentence with the word ears. The dog has big long ears, and as you can see, the dog has big long ears. So this is the activity that we created to help pupils that are in the emergent writing stage. So the activity is a sentence construction activity by filling in blank spaces by looking at a picture. Thank you.